or see something that makes you laugh, and then later you're trying to think about something else, something serious, and then your brain is just like, hey, 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 and then you're like, what? And then your brain is just like, sorry, I closed it and had to reopen it. Why, Boomi? Wait, did we get a raid? Did we get a raid? Raiders! One Boomi! Did you raid? Thank you for the raid. Was I laughing so hard at that I missed a raid message? well, hello everybody. The pause just added community time. Thank you for the raid, Boomi. Hi. I'm gonna wait, okay, you said yourself that it was a raid. Okay. I'm like sitting here questioning, like, are my podcasts gaslighting me? But you, okay, never mind. Thank you for the raid. Hello, everybody. Welcome in. My name's Chio and we're laughing. We raised it. Okay, I had to make sure. Because there was this one time I popped into a streamer's chat. And then everyone in their chat started saying hi to me. Like, hi Chio. And the streamer was kind of distracted, so that they looked over, just saw everyone saying hi to me and said, oh, Chio, thank you for the raid. And then we were all like, huh? And then everyone started saying, thank you for the raid, Chio, when I just popped into a VTuber stream normally. It spread to other chats. And then people kept saying, thank you for the raid, Chio, and all I did was open the stream and say hi. And now I'm questioning if podcasts are doing that to me, but the reverse, they're trying to trick me. Also, Razio, welcome to Pod Champion. Thank you so much, hello. You're that cute, that's got it. Thank you for the raid, Chip. No! I didn't raid anybody, I'm streaming! We're usually gaslighting you, but not this time. Oh, okay. Yeah, today we're playing Resident Evil, but we're just having a quick yap before we start. Yeah. Actually, I did not have time to completely finish setting up the game in OBS, so I will have to, like, do that. I have to finish setting up the game in OBS, but that takes like 2 seconds, so that's not gonna take very long. Yeah, thank you for rating my non-existent live stream. You're welcome, random citizen. There. He's not taking the bait. I guess it's mine.